Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, from your iPhone device, you can go and find settings right here at the bottom right. Okay, just tap on it. Now here, go to find chats, this one. Tap, and then just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And you'll find transfer chat history. Okay, so you just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and transfer it to an iPhone or any iPhone model, or just straight up Android, Samsung, Google Pixel, and more right here. Hit on continue. And then in here, there might be some pop-up that will ask you to give permission to access your camera. So go ahead and allow it. Okay. Now in here, all you got to do is just click on OK. All right. Now on your Samsung device, go and find WhatsApp. Tap on it. I got to tap on agree and continue. Register with the same exact phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to tap on next. Okay, so give me a moment. Now we will have this window, transfer chat history. So I'll go ahead and tap on continue. Tap on allow right here. Turn on location as it's needed. Go back. Now in a moment it will give us a QR code. So on the right hand side is my Samsung device. Now I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code. There you go. As you can see here, you can just go ahead and tap on join. All right. It is now connected. Just wait for it. And after that, on your iPhone device, it will say turn on cellular data or use Wi-Fi to fit access or whatever. Just tap on OK. Now on your Samsung or Android device, it says here transfer complete. Just tap on next. I got it add in your name. For example, just like so. Hit on next. Next. And here we have it. All right. That's how simple it is to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.